Okay, the next lecture is on essential oil. Essential oil, their nature and properties and rules. Definition, occurrence, importance, preparation and control. Okay. Volatile essential oils are volatile oily products obtained often by steam distillation of freshly cut plant parts carrying the odor and flavor of the plant parts are known as the essential oils. These are complex mixtures of odoriferous means these have small odor and flavor odoriferous which are used for either the specific therapeutic activity of their due to their aroma. Okay. Essential oil, that is typically volatile oil and fixed oil. That is the major seems into volatile oil, that is secondary metabolite, and fixed oil, that is primary metabolite, that is used in medicinal purposes. Okay. Occurrence. The fixed oils, it is generally chemically they are odoriferous substances occur in glandular hairs, oil duct or oil glands. Then animal sources, musk and emerges. Their importance of essential oils are make the plants far unpalatable, that is detoxification. They are they do not contain glycerol esters or fatty acids like fixed oils, and hence they do not leave greasy mark on paper. Like fixed oil, they cannot be saponified with alkalis. Likewise, their significance, they are used in attractants or protectants uses. It has generally medicinal uses, therapeutic uses. It is used in perfumery industry, soap industry for scents. Then it is used as a medicine, act as a simulator of antiseptic, local irritant, flavoring food beverages. Then it is used as attractants and help in cross pollinations. It is used as repellents and protect the plant from insect attack and animal grazing. The preparations of essential oil or volatile oil. There are different methods. One is known as the steam distillation method. Then direct solvent extraction method. Then enflorious processes and expression methods. So these are various methods used for extraction of essential oil. The distillation method, steam distillation, is more common. In expression method, scarification process is more common. Likewise, these methods are depends on condition of plant material, intact, crushed or powder, the location of oil in the plant, superficial or deep, the amount of oil, and nature of constituents. Principles of distillation methods. The boiling point of most volatile constituents range between 150 degrees to 300 degrees centigrade. Distillation at a such high temperature may cause either decomposition or polymerization. The presence of water during distillation allows the process to be carried out at a temperature below 100 degrees centigrade. When two immiscible liquids are heated together, they will boil at a temperature below the boiling point of either one. The main aim behind this. Distillation apparatus. This is the distillation assembly to carry out the distillation of the essential oil. The body of steel distillation flask or laboratory scale is used. Then condensing system for condensing the oil and receiver for collecting flask. Then cohabitation is the return of the aromatic water saturated with volatile oil to the body of the steel to redistill in order to improve the yield of oil. For purification, certain reactive actions to be done to remove the impurities. Then there are a difference between these water distillation, water and steam distillation, and direct water distillation. But steam distillation method is more common for extraction of essential oil. Then scarification and extraction methods, squeezing, field test, and application where to give produce essential oils. These are the methods at which is to be carried out at room temperature. Then there are various methods, sponge method, extraction method. It is more common method. Then important essential oil such as peppermint oil, menthol, limonades, then eucalyptus oil, wintergreen oil, and terpene are more common. Aroma of clove oil is due to methylamine ketone in small quantity. And the classification of essential oils they are classified into four major classes such as aldehydes. These oil contains carbon and oxygen double bond as a cinnamon oil and coriander oil. Then esters, these are essential oils are derivatives of carboxylic acid such as methyl esters of salicylic acid, that is garlic oil, wintergreen oil. Then ethers, these essential oil contains oxygen atoms bounded to two alkali groups as aromatic ether. That example are clove oil, fennel oil, and anise oil. And last, terpenes. These essential oils are mixture of either hydrocarbons or their oxygenated derivatives, alcohol, aldehydes, and ketones as a limonene, terpenoline, and lemon oil, betel oil, orange oil, and pine needle oil, and cardamom oil. The properties of essential oil are they have pungent taste and odor. They are nearly colorless when fresh. They become darker after exposure to air. They are optically active. They are soluble in carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, petroleum ether, and fatty acid. They are insoluble in acid and water. No residue remains on cloth or paper will be found. It is about intelligence processes. It is all about essential oil and their definition, occurrence, and roles. Thank you very much.